Hi guys, you're back with Nisharia K, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a quick and simple bun on natural hair.
Oh damn, I'ma have to call that man on you. Something must be really wrong with you. Why can't you just tell the fucking truth now?
Okay, now we're back. First things first, you're going to need a brush, hard or soft, depending on your hair texture and what feels good to your head. You're also going to need a rat tooth comb. This is for the parting, and this is so that you guys can, comb out any naps that you may or may not have. Also going to need some EcoStyle gel. I really have any left, so we're going to see what we can do. And anything else that you guys need, maybe bobby pins. So now we're going to get to the parting. So whoop, let me stop.